Well, we've got a deep bench of expertise, so we've been through this on both sides of it. So being able to ask the right questions quickly, so we're not asking 100 questions over and over again to the same party, I think that's a key trick that we bring to the table. And two, how do we rise to the top of, here's the 3 or 4 things that we must focus on for day one. The rest of these things can be a day 60 or a day 180 type of a question. I think that's a huge part of the deal conversation.
Yeah, I think your first point there is the key differentiator that I've seen from where I'm at now and where I have been in the past life. But it's asking the questions about the product, the revenue stream, or the piece that you're actually buying. Right? It's nice to know that they have secure policies and they have all these things in place at the parent company that you're looking to buy either a part of or even the whole thing of. It in the end of the day, it doesn't matter, right? You're going to replace that with your own, or if it does matter, great, hit on that. But that's not the part you're buying. You're buying again the product, the stream, the customer base, something like that.
Absolutely.
So focus on that rather than focusing on getting to know how secure is the target company overall.